Book of Heaven, Volume 2, March 18th, 1899. Charity is simple. This morning, my beloved Jesus continued making himself seen from inside my heart. And in seeing him a little bit more cheered, I plucked up courage, and I began to pray that he would not send so many chastisements. And Jesus told me,
"What moves you, O my daughter, to pray me not to chastise creatures?"
Immediately I answered, because they are your images, and if creatures should suffer, you yourself would suffer. And Jesus, heaving a sigh, told me,
"Charity is so dear to me that you cannot comprehend it. Charity is simple, just like my being, which, though immense, is yet most simple, so much so that there is no place which it does not penetrate. So charity is, being simple, it diffuses everywhere. It has regard for no one, whether a friend or an enemy, whether a citizen or a stranger. It loves everybody."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.